First fish by my son Drew. What do we got? What do we got? Is it a trout? He says with confidence. Yeah, probably. Let me see. Where is he? All right. Oop. Yep, speckled trout. All right. Oop.
Oh no!
That's okay.
Hey,
There's a speckled trout.
I took it out of the water, all right? That's what counts.
There we go. Just under 26 with a pinch tail. There we go. Right there. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at this fish. Right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous girl. This is your lucky day, my friend. There you go, honey. Here's your first red. Nicely done.
He saw the...
No, I had the leader in hand.
Yeah.
That is a legal catch. So if you need to change this,
Yeah.
you take the head and you just poke it right into the head
Just
and screw it on. And the round
Yeah.
is the belly. You kind of see where the hook's going to go through. You take your two fingers and you pinch it.
Yeah.
And you put it right through. There you go.
Works like a charm.
Alrighty.
Here we go. First one.
No, it needs to be on the boat.
Y'all are lacking.
It was a catch. It was a catch.
Oh, you nitpicking over there? Where's your line in the water?
So, ladies and gentlemen, I have the great pleasure to tell you that my boys are here from New England. I got my son Drew and Barry, my lovely wife Jennifer, and we're all out here at Matlacha. My boys came down for Father's Day weekend, and we're out here at Matlacha Pass. We got a couple hours to play, and we got plenty of shrimp, so we're just gonna see what we can find here. So far we got one trout on the board. That's not a bad start since we just launched 10 minutes ago. My son Barry's on now. Let's go see what he got. I'm assuming it's a speckled trout. Yep. Yeah, speckled trout. He's got fangs.
One really.
There's usually two of them.
Yeah, there's two.
Yeah. Nice. Let me see him.
I didn't even get that far.
All right, Barry, let me see it. Let me see it. Barry, let me see it. All right, lower your net. Just grab them. They're a little on the slimy side, so that's why you have towels. So you can use the towel to hold the fish.
I don't even see that.
You want to hold them?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
I don't need it.
Here, here's your hook. Little speckled trout.
That means I need to put another one on, don't I?
Yes. Ready. Barry, speckled trout. And this one's right out of my hand. Yeah, no. Yeah, you gotta tighten your drag.
Oh, I'm tangled up. My reel's tangled.
Oh. Just hand it in. Just hand line it in. We'll fix the reel after. Let's get the fish off.
There's nothing on it.
Oh.
Pinfish. It's a little pinfish. No, we don't have anything for that.
Yeah, no, nothing's gonna be eating this.
Oh yeah, they will.
Like what though?
Redfish, snook, tarpon.
I'll bait him.
We don't have big poles.
Oh yeah, he'll just keep pulling.
Yeah, we'll let him go. I mean, the poles we have are more than capable of big fish, but we don't have. They're not set up for that. Yeah, always, yep, go down. There you go. I'm gonna whack into you. All right, there you go. Right in the water. And you got another fish. You're all right. Just reel in the fish. Another trout? Yep, another trout. Oh, came off, yeah.
I can't keep them.
Trout have very soft mouths, and they're almost like a.
Censor it for YouTube, sorry.
Nah, that's fine. That's what I have a horn for. So they have very soft mouths that they do rip very easily. So that's why they come off very easily. What do we got? What do we got? Another speckled trout. Another little speckled trout. Now a little speckled trout. What is it?
Beat me up, though. Oh, it's catfish.
Oh,
My arm hurts.
all right, well get him in your net. It's a sail cat. Just be very, very careful of these guys, because they do have thorns. They do have spikes. And if they break the skin, all right, swing it over here. Put it right in here. All right, open your bail. If these things jab you and they break the skin, their slime will get into your blood or into the wound.
Venom?
Almost. And no, you won't die. You'll just be very uncomfortable. It'll sting for a while.
Why has it happened?
It's just protective.
I got stabbed by a fish trying to get it off of.
It's called a sail cat. All right, hold on. Jen wants to see it.
Where is it? Oh, it's in that.
Yeah, just put it back in the water, just in the net.
Okay.
They're everywhere here in the summer, and if you use live bait, you will get catfish.
You want to just hold it?
Yep. Sail cat.
Very pretty.
It's a good sized sail cat. See how it's got that top fin?
Oh, yeah, that thing right there?
That's why they call it a sail cat.
Hold on. Watch your toes.
So they got a thorn there, they got thorn there, thorn there. It's just a sail cat.
Baby, hold it right.
Good?
I think so.
All right. Later, buddy.
Excellent.
Nice job.
Let's see what we got. Oh, you got your anchor out.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, ooh, that might be dinner.
Oh, heck yeah.
That is a gray snapper.
Nice.
Gray snapper or a mangrove snapper. They're also called. I think they have to be 10 inches. It's called a mangrove snapper or a gray snapper. Let me see it. Let me see it. Just grab it.
Does it matter, like, regulation for, like, keeping
Yes,
fish?
yes. That's why I got to check.
Oh,
There you go. He's definitely 10 inches. Keep him right there. What you got? You got a trout? Awesomeness. Drew got a mangrove snapper we have in the bag.
That's awesome.
Huh?
I was still using up my shrimp,
Yeah.
so I just kind of moved up. But I switched back to lure and caught this little guy. He's on the side of me now.
Ooh, honey, that's not a little guy. That's a decent trout. On the what, honey? What is that?
That's a wise guy.
Kicking shrimp. That is prawn star. And like a dingbat, I put my boxing wrong. I got the hinges against my back. Yeah, I have to try to fix that. So,
I guess later you'll have to.
I might try. Alright, this guy he is a, like 14 and a half.
Gotta get your hand out of underneath that.
14 and a half-ish. There you go, buddy.
I told you he's little.
Oh, it's still a decent sized trout.
Realize that the diameter of it is literally the same as the net.
Oh, yeah, that's easy. That's easy.
I've never gotten one of these out.
It looks like a lure.
Yeah. They're a nuisance. Alright, let me see it. Come here, guy. Yeah, I know.
They got
I
little
know.
teeth.
Yes, they do.
Probably don't have a whole lot of meat in them.
They're like pinfish. It's like a hot dog.
Looks like, it's everybody's favorite. Honey, I got a puffer. I got a little puffer. Yep. I side hooked them though. And there he goes. Blowing up.
Can you use that thing?
Is it Andrew?
It looks like a water balloon.
Little puffer.
Now why couldn't he put them back in the water?
Boop. What are you?
It looks like a water balloon.
Another mangrove. Nice. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. I don't think that's a snapper. That might be a redfish.
There's some red.
That might be a red. I got you, don't worry. I'm coming. That's a red.
I don't have reverse.
I know. It's a red.
You caught it on a head too. The shrimp was gone, but the head was there.
That's a redfish.
Is it really?
Wait. Yeah, dot. It's a redfish. Oop. I forgot my shrimp. Oh. No, I think I lost. I think a fish just took my shrimp.
And wait until you're distracted.
Pretty much. All right. All right, open your bail.
My what?
Your bail.
This thing?
No, I already did it for you. All right. The red, honey.
Didn't I just say watch that catch like the biggest fish?
He only had like a shrimp head.
Yeah.
Everything else.
Yeah.
And he kind of well, he didn't swallow it.
They do have teeth, but not bad. That's a nice red. That might be a keeper bear. No, just shy. 17.
Still a big one.
Oh, it's a good size. It's a nice fish. Oh, absolutely. We're going to take a picture of it.
Yeah, but that
As
one,
soon as-
something like bit it, like in half, and I went to throw it, and half of it came off, and I had this little tiny chunk.
Yep.
And I literally just said to Drew, watch I catch something with this.
Nice. Put him in the water.